I got a bunch of old copper pennies, piled them in my furnace, and melted them because I wanted to make something cool. I then lit up the flame. Yeah. While the pennies were cooking, I got a real corn cob and pressed it into the sand because I wanted to make it out of Nordic gold. My goal here was to make a three-dimensional shape of the corn cob, so I had to completely bury it and then pound the sand really hard around it. I pulled the corn cob out of the sand, and I had to make some channels in which to pour the molten metal. To make the Nordic gold, I actually had to get the pennies red hot, and then I added aluminum to give the alloy a golden color. When everything had melted together, I pulled the liquid metal out of the furnace and poured it in through the hole so it'd take the shape of the corn cob. Once everything had cooled down, I pulled the metal cob out of the sand and cleaned it up a bit. The golden corn cob was an exact replica of the original, even though the original was kind of beat up at this point. This metal corn cob totally rocks.